Okay, let's get started. Let's get the tweet out first. Okay. Let's get started. What are we gonna do today? So, yesterday we worked on adding quote reply features. So I'm thinking maybe today. Let's see, turn the volume down a little bit. So for today, maybe so we ran into a bug yesterday where, well, if you take a look at JitHub right now, it's loading, and yeah, I go to one of my own repos, pull request. Like, this is a plain simple comment. These are commit histories, and these blogs are reviews, right? And normally when you click on quote reply, it replies to the review itself instead of just go to the normal comment box. So we have to fix this. All right. Also, this doesn't look good. This is I'm not sure what this is. This should be like a quote. And rendered in HTML, it just, oh my god, it's just broken. It doesn't look like a quote when it's rendered in, because it's converted from Markdown to HTML. It's supposed to look like, Markdown, but for some reason it's not. So we're gonna have to fix this either today or maybe next time. But today, what we're gonna do first is when we click this, it's gonna open, or there's gonna be like a reply box over here, like in each block, and we're just gonna, we're just gonna scroll to there and copy the text as a quote over there instead of in the global reply box. So that's what we're gonna do. And this is the file, but I'm not too sure what the comment box is at this point. It's been too long. Let's see. We know there's one. We know there's one in the conversation page, so we just have to look at it. There we go. Markdown form. We need to two-way bind the text. Also, we need the action content, and in this case, is a button for, what is it? Wait, I don't even have, oh, I have content. Okay. A button for closing, a button for comment. Let's see what we have in like a normal GitHub website. Like, what do they have, right? They have resolve conversation, and if I click on it, it has cancel and comment if you wrote something. Okay, we can do that. Yep. So let's do the reply box first. Common markdown form. All right. And what about the text? So the text is going to be okay, so this is where we run into problems. So this needs to be a two-way binding, which means every time the property changes, we need to raise property has changed notification. And right now they are a property of they're a property of object of view model, so I'm not too sure if that'll happen. First of all, right, like, what are these? I just have no memory of the things I wrote. Okay, so these things are replies, and replies, sorry, they are not replies. These things are blocks, if I'm correct. This is for review comment. Actually, these are legitimate role models. No, view models. Am I role model? Okay, just joking. So basically, we want to have a text thing over here, right? So let's do that. Private string like a single reply text, maybe that'll do, right? And do public string reply text and get and set. Nope, not setting it this way. No. Okay, this way we can do. Okay, what can we do? Okay, we set a text property. No, not you, not template. And you can do binding of reply text, and we bind it two-way. All right, and we can do comment, markdown form, action content. It's gonna be pretty much the same thing, right? We're gonna have a cancel button. Actually, in fact, are we gonna have a cancel button? Basically, the reason why they have a cancel button is that when you click on it, it shows this whole thing, and so you can cancel it, right? We don't have that mechanism. So maybe for now we just have like one button, and we'll see if we can try to shrink it in the future. Content, comment. All right. And for clicking event, what we're gonna do for clicking event. We can have something over here. We can say public void on comment or on reply. Right. And we can say if reply text, actually string is null or empty or white space. We just return. Okay. Otherwise we do our thing. Yeah, we can trim. And we need to know how to reply, right? We need to know how to reply to this thing. And if we add to that, maybe we can just refresh. Okay, time to go to the services. So basically, I need to find for posts. Okay. I'm posting. Commit, comment, nope. It's comment, create. We're replying to a review, right? Create reviewers, remove reviewers, merge, update, assign. Seems appropriate to put it somewhere over here. Oh, what was that? Let's just say task first, right? Reply to review. Okay. I don't know what it's gonna take first, but well, we do know something. It's gonna take a repo ID, right? And it's gonna take a number for the pull request, and at least it's gonna take a string of the reply text itself, and it's gonna take a ID of the review, if I'm not mistaken, or the thing that it's trying to reply to. Let's just do this now and see if we can come up with anything. So we can take a look at the APIs. You know, going to review comments. Yeah, I think review comments. They're like a reply thing. Create reply. They have it. Okay, nice. Okay, they want a repo ID, the number, and the thing that we're creating. Nice. Sorry, I just sneezed, but okay. Yeah, basically we need an integer of the where is my thing? Here. Enter in reply to ID. Okay, and basically we're gonna let's do a try catch. Oh, does it return anything? I had no idea that'll work. Oh, okay, here we go. It returns a review comment. How nice. Okay, so we're gonna return that too. Actually, no. So a review comment is yeah, we're gonna return is a review comment node. Right? Yeah, like these ones, like the reviews, they are review comment node. So we're gonna return a review comment node. Okay. And this thing is that. The reply itself, right? Equals to GitHub client dot pull request dot review dot what's it again? I had to take a look. Not review comment. Okay. Dot create reply. So we have reply ID number and create this, and it's gonna have the body of reply text and reply ID. How does it look? What's happening here? Can I convert long to string? Oh, I'm giving one more parameter. There we go. That should be fine. Okay. Return, we want to return a review comment node, but we need to know how we're we need to know how we're converting it, right? Basically, you need a repo for that. Okay. Well, you know what? Let's give you a repo. Alright. So right here we can put repository repo, and this thing would be repo.id, and we can return new review common node of the reply and the repo. Does that work? It works. Okay. Now I just have to catch if there's any exceptions. I don't know. What do we do? We can throw it. What are we gonna say? Failed to reply to review comment. Okay. And we can have the comment in reply to ID. No, let's have the repo ID first. Okay, repo ID PR, which is the number, and in reply to. Okay. Now that we have this, we can copy it and paste it to the interface. Where do I put it? Create pull request. Merge pull request, update pull request. Yeah, that seems like a good enough place for it. Okay, just do this. Do you know what this is? You do, okay. Now, back in the view model. We can get let's try. Okay. Reply text. Okay. And reply equals to await. Oh, nice. It turned itself into async function. GitHub service, I want to say. Yeah. Dot reply to review. We want the repo, and this is, do we have a pull request number? Don't tell me. Let's try. review comment. Wait, is it review comment node? Yeah, review comment node dot pull request reviewed. Seems about right. Reply text. And in reply to ID, yeah, we need to know what is replying to. Okay. So we need a command. That's what you're saying. No problem. So in reply to ID, we'll just use that. Brilliant, right? Actually, no, it's not brilliant. It is not brilliant. Every reply is replying to this one. So basically, we just need this one's ID, I think. Dot ID. And hopefully that works. Oh, it's oh dang, this is the pull request ID instead of the number. We'll catch it, but for now we won't do anything to it. And we need to do something about this. Okay, this is ridiculous. What do you have? You don't even have. Okay. Are you at least saving the comment? You are. Okay. By the way, do I even need this? I do. Okay. You and the object itself. Oh, don't tell me. So there's no pull request object attached to this object. Nice. We're gonna see where we're creating this and attach a pull request, at least pull request ID, right? So we're doing it from the review. What does the review node have? Not a lot. Okay. Okay. So where are we creating this? It's converter. Okay, yeah. Of course. It's converting from the review node. So maybe we add that to all conversation node, right? So it's not a bad idea. Yeah, so all conversation node we know. Actually, we don't know. Because conversation node in the future might also be for issues. Yep, that is correct. So maybe just have a number thing, right? Well, so far we just need a number. Yeah, let's try that. Public int number. Okay, and we'll have a comment. Issue number or PR number. Okay, all good. And this is where, like, the single place where we're creating all those notes, right? And we need to attach. Yay, we have the PR object here. So let's do something to them. Nope, can't come up with a good way to do it. Let's just would it be so slow to do a select? Yeah, reassigning is really slow, so let's just do a for each loop. Number, make it equal to PR dot number, and I think that'll do. Is necessary field. Okay. Now that we have it, let's go back. I don't even know where to go back to. Here, right? Nope. Here? No, and oh, over here. So basically we just want to use no. Sorry, no. Common node number, right? That should do the trick. And now all we have to do is clear the text. That's for sure. View model equals to new. What is our view model? It's a user comment. Okay. User comment view model of the repo, right? Reply to body. Reply to created at new reaction block view model. And basically we just want to do this. Okay. And this, and reply dot user, and replies dot add, and hopefully that'll do the trick. Is that gonna do the trick? Yeah, something feels wrong here. Yeah, maybe it's because of this, right? We have the repo. Oh, we attached the repo to it. Maybe it's okay. Oh, we didn't attach the number, right? Yeah. That's the problem. Okay. Var nope equals to this new. Okay. Actually, we have to or we can just return. And we can add a comment here. Yeah, in the future we'll think about making it mandatory. Right now we're just experimenting, right? There. Click is bind on reply. Yeah, that should be good. But how do I scroll to this? It's a good question. Oh, let's just make sure replying works first, okay? It doesn't compile. What's the problem? It really doesn't tell me what the problem is. Let's just clean the solution. Oh no, what's happening? I'm pretty sure this is what's wrong, but not set to a sense of an object. Where? You gotta show me where. Is it you? I said it. Is it you? I said as well. Wait a minute. GitHub service. I think it's injected. Yeah. Yeah. It's injected. And what's going on here? Reply text. Oh, reply text. Wait a minute. We're checking for if it's a null, right? So that's fine. And the only thing we've added so far, number, we're setting it for each nose. We have them. This looks right. We're calling it with the repo. Where's that? The repo and the number, the text, and the ID. And we try to get a reply, create a review comment node, and throw if we run into anything. That's just getting weirder and weirder. No problem here. Don't think I have any problem here either. Right? It's private field, public field, getting, setting, ref, value, defining a function, replies to add. Is that a problem? Replies. Well, it's created here, right? So it's fine. It doesn't even show me details. And nothing. This is weird. We're entering weird territory. Why is this happening? This is not good. I don't know what's wrong with it. Let's restart Visual Studio if that does anything. Let's do a clean first. And save everything. And let's go to the folder and delete. Bin an object. Okay. Sounds good. Compile. Okay. Well, at least it has become warning. Oh, actually, no, I lied. Still here. Wait, no. Oh, here, right here. Why'd you do this to me? Am I referring to anything that's not an object? I mean, we can do this, I suppose. And it seems okay if I do it this way, right? Yeah. Something's wrong with the with either the function Okay, with either the function or the XAML part. Let's try uncommenting this part first, and then we don't have to do on reply. Or just see if the XAML is good. It is. Okay. Okay, without setting anything, and comment this part. It's fine. It's fine. We'll do it part by part. Do you compile if I do this? You do. Of course you do. These first two lines are nothing. Uncomment. Alright, let's do it line by line. Let's just do a build. And it works. Nice. That's nice. Build again. Okay. Let's do a few more blocks. I think I'm seeing what the problem is now, but I don't really want to believe it. I mean, I'm in the try catch block. Okay, how about we do it this way then? For this, we no longer make it an I collection, we just make it an observable collection. Okay, we do that. And this, and we initialize it right here. Okay, we do a var. We do dot add range is not a thing. Okay, we can just do select. We don't have to do select, we can just do for each. Yes, we can do for each for all the replies. And we do this. And instead of returning it, we do .add. All right, it's good enough. Good enough. Good. Happy now? Happy? It's boat. Yeah, and that seems like it has worked. So let's deploy. Hooray. Yeah, we were gonna convert it to an observable collection anyways, because when you set it the first time, it's gonna raise the it's gonna notify property changed, so the UI will react. But when you add to it, it won't call the set method. It won't call the setter, so it won't raise the event, so the UI wouldn't even refresh. So at some point we had to change it to an observable collection anyway. So yeah, might as well be now. Yeah, they have it. Okay. Nice. We just have to locate this a little better, right? So for this one, it uses a stack panel. Yeah, why not? Click is binding reply. Okay, and you will have a style of action panel. Does it look good? Oh yeah, it looks good. We need to do something about the size of the thing. It's ridiculous that it is this big. Yeah, so let's do like a property thing to set the height, right? I think it's because we're using it somewhere, like everywhere else is supposed to be big, but this in this one place is supposed to be a one liner. Or we can just use an expander, right? Okay, why don't we do that? Let's use an expander. No, actually we just need to set the header text to be reply. How's that? Oh no. Okay. So the problem was not my function is actually setting this. That's so weird. That is so weird. Let's use a command then. Okay, fine. Happy? Okay. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it does. Vader. Pull request. Oh yeah, we need this to be longer. Otherwise it's gonna be ridiculous. Yep. Yes, there we go. What is happening? Doesn't do the trick, huh? Okay, let's see what we did for the other expanders. Horizontal content alignment. Okay, there we go. Yay. Yeah, that's what we want. We actually don't want any paddings. This is too much paddings. No. How do we do this? Can I do it here? Nope. There's no such thing as paddings. Do you have paddings? Oh, there is. Okay. Well, maybe not 0. Let's do 4, maybe. Having 8, 0, 8, and 8. Yeah, that seems good enough. This one still doesn't show. What is your problem, man? It says hi. Oh wait, the second one always doesn't show? That's weird. Let's take a look at another repo maybe. Flutter as always. Well, you don't have one, so by the way, this loading, like being slow, it's not easy to fix as it currently stands. Oh, what the hell? What did I do? Did I reply to this? Certainly I won't just reply to a random thing just for testing. Yeah, what are you? There's some memory leak, maybe. That was weird. Don't really know how to reproduce it. Why is it so hard to find one with review? Okay, there. Second one's loaded. Second one loaded. Definitely something wrong with my own repo. Yeah, like these are all fine. Okay. We can ignore it for now. Let's go back to our own repo. See, this thing doesn't load, man. So annoying. Oh, let's see, copying the link and see if we can. Yeah, so it does have data in it. Oh, what did it highlight? Hello, right? Let's see if this one does it correctly. Hi. Okay, just the text rendering having some issues. Just doesn't do shit. What is happening? Okay. So the binding's having some problems. Do we have to make it into its own control and then having a view model? We may have to. How long have I been streaming? I don't really know. Yeah, let's at least stop this right now. So it doesn't seem like binding is enough. it's fine. We'll use xbind. But to do that, we need a control. Let's call it review comment block. Okay. Review reply. No, we actually item repeater. Yeah, actually it's for comments, because we have multiple blocks and a stack panel. And within the stack panel, we have item repeaters again, and then the reply box. Okay. Okay, so the name is review comment block. There we go. That's a first. Okay, so right here we're gonna have what is it? Review comment view model as the view model. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna register it. Public static dependency property. Okay, looking good. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Alright, hopefully that does the trick. Let's see if it works. At least it's not breaking. So that part is good. It does nothing. Why is it doing nothing? Oh, I remember. So we have to go to there, and for all the bindings we have, at least this one, not those ones. So X. All right, that's good. That's good. This one is an item repeater, so this is fine. Nope, we'll have to change this one as well. And these two. And once this happens, we'll be good. We should be good. Oh my god, please work. It's just not doing anything. This is so weird. Why is it though? Like, PR0? Did we not set this? Oh, we only did it for the outer ones, not the inner ones. My bad. So what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna go to GitHub services. You know what? Let's enforce this, right? We're gonna need something. These two are a must, so let's just set them. And please don't use this. Okay, and let's go to the models, mirror conversations, commit note. Actually, do we do that? Wait, no. Need to delete this line, that's redundant. Also, this as well. Review, comment, node. It needs to happen to you as well, buddy. Okay, delete the redundant line. Same goes here. Okay, let's go see all the places it is referenced. Good. Should be good now, right? continue. Yes, it worked. I'm so happy. And this also means another thing, right? It used to be in another control, and it hosted, not hosted, like it embedded in the item repeater, so we can't really give it a name. Now that we can also deal with scrolling. Actually, how do we scroll? We could scroll before because we can call into the scroll viewer. Now we're not in the scroll viewer. We're much deeper in the element tree. How do we do this? How do we do this? Wow, this seems like a really handy feature. Scroll to element. Okay. Don't mind if I do. What's the error here? Label. Label property not found on event node. For real? Oh, wait a minute, I really don't have it. What the hell? Please have it. Please have it. Okay. How are we gonna do this? Okay, we need to pass another command from the top level again. Let's go find it. Review comment view module. Review node view model. We have an action. Do I have an action? No. Wait, no, it's the conversation page. I remember now. What? Not drawing. Right, not drawing. Okay, there we go. It is scrolling. Zoom factor. Okay, let's just say this is true. We don't want to zoom. And this we want to be false. Because this is like disable animation, right? Yeah. Let's make it take another action. Call it scroll to element. Action can take like one argument, right? Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Then I command it is. Come on, Visual Studio. Okay, there we go. What did you do? Scroll to element. Okay, basically this takes one or UI element. Okay, and we need to pass it to all of the reviews, basically. I forgot, how are we changing it to the view models again? Oh, actually converters, right? So, okay. We can just have like command for and then over here for each blocks. We can have this, right? Yeah. So now that we can be scrolling to it, we should give it a name, I think. Well, first of all, we need this to be expanded, right? Is that for each? Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, this is a little tricky. So in order to call this command, I need to pass in the UI element, but I'm currently in the view model layer where I don't want to have any UI elements in, but for now I don't think I have a choice. Yeah, I don't have a choice. Okay. Don't really have a choice, then might as well do it. Let's call it reply box. Hate doing this, but the quote-unquote correct way to do it is just too complicated just for the sake of, doing things the right way. It kind of defeats the purpose of, keeping things simple. Which is what I'm trying to do. So far, I'm just like one person on this project. And, I don't want to be like, overstretching myself into maintaining like a super clean architecture where, I have like CI/CD system and everything is separated into different layers and commands and dependency injection. I do have dependency injection, but like not super crazy dependency injection. And the architecture is not like the best architecture in the world because, I'd rather spend time coding the features instead of maintaining the architecture, which is going to take us a significantly long time. And it's beneficial when you have multiple people in your team. And for me, just not, I don't really see the benefit for this project. Well, like someday I do think I probably will open source JitHub. Maybe I'll have other people work on this. Then I still need to rewrite, like port this app to WinUI 3, right? And if I really need to do like a clean architecture, I can basically re-architect it when I port to WinUI 3. So for now, I'm not really worried about it. Okay, so here, let's do something. So self.viewModel.reply box equals to self.reply box. How's that? And right here we can define private void quote reply. We can take a string of text. Pretty sure I have it defined somewhere. Okay. There. We can basically copy and paste basically all of it. Okay, what is this? We shouldn't have two of these, right? We should just have one of those. Is this why it won't really render? Let's see if that's the bug. But anyways, this should set reply text. And scroll to element command dot execute with reply box. And I hope that works. Okay. 3 places. Nah. Okay. Is that okay? Which means the comment I don't really need this, right? Yeah, I don't need this. Oh wow, that was quite a bit of code. Let's see. Wait a minute. After we split it, we're not adding a line break at the end. Why is that? Hold on. Wait a minute. This is for issues. We gotta have this somewhere, you know. There you go. Okay, let's try it. Oh, you know what? Let's not try it. We need to set expanded to true. Actually, there might be one more thing that we need to do. Scroll to element. Before we change the view, we probably have to measure the size, right? And also let's expand it first so that we can calculate the correct size. That's all right. Yeah, I copied it. That's fine, but scrolling was off. Right, scrolling was way off. What is that? Maybe this should be plus dot height. Wait, they don't have height. Yeah, let's try that. Oh, it seems like it's scrolling the bottom line to where the element is. It's not what we want, right? We want to scroll the top line to where the top line of the element is. For example, if we do this, oh no. Okay, so that's what's wrong, right? The whole comment bang is 800. So what does measure do? Maybe try actual size? No, let's just not measure it for now because the accepted answer on Stack Overflow doesn't have this line, so it must be good. Nope. No. That was not good. Probably we want to do subtract. I'm just guessing here. It still scrolls up. That's so weird. Okay, so that's what it is, right? The whole scroll viewer is rendered only like 700 something, right, in height, but the actual content within the scroll viewer is like 4000, and the element is at like somewhere at 2000. But when it actually scrolls, it doesn't use the content height, so I think it's like messing up the calculation a little bit, so I need to figure out how to do that. Well, first of all, this is absolutely wrong, I think. Is this F sharp? Okay, so is this? No, actually, no. Don't know if it'll work, but let's give it a go. No. Why is it scrolling upwards? Oh, so actual size is the one we want. Wait, it doesn't even compile, does it? Yeah, no, this doesn't compile. How about we just do this? Oh wow, what the hell's that? Okay, so it seems like all the text goes through Windows is /R for next line, but everything else is /N for the next line. We need to change that. Otherwise, yeah, it's gonna render so weirdly. Okay, let's see. UWP text box new line /N. See if we can get anything. Okay. That's a big one. So two things we need to solve right now. First is the scrolling to the element thing. The other is that for the line ending, we have to do either this or just /n. Or no, there's no or. Yeah. Let's do it. So if we're posting anything, right, any text, we have to do this. Normalize text. Return text dot replace, and basically we want to replace this with this, right? And we need to do it for, do I need to do it for repo? Not really, right? New repository, does it have it? Name, that's fine. Name is a one-liner. Delete is fine. Start is fine. Unstore. Checking things is fine. Getting all started is fine. This is post, right? Why do I have gets here? Okay, new issue. So for body, we have to do you know what? Let's not do this. Let's do it in extensions. Where are my extensions? Body dot normalize. Okay. Post no issue. Same thing. Commit, submit comment. You betcha. Close issues. Update issue updater. Has a body. Is it mutable? It is mutable. 。 request. Okay. Title's fine. Title's one-liner. Well, so far that's all of it. I'm not sure if it'll appear more, but let's solve the other issue. Well, actually, let's compile and see if we solve the first issue. Okay, I think we can solve the line break, but as long as it's still markdown, we can't do anything by just having a /b at the end. You know, somehow this works. I don't even know why. Let's delete this line. It's not really helpful right now. And you know what? Let's just try without it. Be plus element dot actual size. Or does it have render size? Yeah, render size. No, actually it's actual size. Dot. Dot y. Can I do that? No, it still scrolls upwards. That is so weird. Is this kind of throwing it off a little bit? We can do it after. Nope, still scrolls upwards. That is so weird. All the examples online indicates that, you know, this is the right way to do it. Does it say content in here too? It does not. It does not. Oh, wait a minute. This is not the scroll viewer. Right? It's the stack panel. Actually, no, it is the scroll viewer. But this is saying you can use a stack panel. Oh, actually, yeah, I am using the stack panel. This is the content, right? The content of the scroll viewer is the stack panel. I am doing everything right. Everything. Should work. Yeah, so the video is saying exactly the same thing as all the posts. So I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong here. But you know what? I've been streaming for 3 hours now. I think I'll take a break. Despite this bug, I think we made quite some progress today. So let me stop the debugger, save all the files, and let's conclude what we did today. Okay, top to bottom. Oh, this is just to fix the new line ending in Windows, just to normalize it to /n instead of /r. What's over here? Oh, because we're gonna be using conversation node throughout the issues and pull requests, so we better have a number in there. So we're just with this, we're enforcing all of the conversational implementations to have a repo and a number. Okay. Yeah, these are just like me changing the definition. And this is interesting. We no longer need to pass in the quote reply command into each review comment nodes, because we're going to be we're defining all of those in its view model, because we're no longer scrolling to the global comment box. We're using the reply box instead. Yeah, so this is where we are redefining the class. Over here in the service, we are adding number to it in multiple ways, so this block is no longer needed. So let's go there. Okay, it's basically just changing it to add like numbers to it, right? Yeah, good. For here, all of these are like normalizing the strings, and this one is to post the review, which does work as we have tested. Fixed a small problem over here. This one. Okay, so most of the progress we made is in this one, right? Like basically we're making the replies an observable collection, so we add more replies to it. It'll just show up in the UI directly. What else? We added on reply, and when we do that, we check if the text is empty. If it's not, we try to post it, and when we get a reply back, we add it to the list. And we also added a function to quote reply, which we are calling the scroll to element command with our reply box, right? So this, I say this works. It's just scrolling is a little bit weird, so we need to figure that out next time. But the functionality is definitely there. Yeah, so this is just, adding the command to the blocks. It's adding the command to the view model. We got all of the UI from what used to be in the item repeaters in the review block, because we need xbind for all of the view model things to work. Binding no longer meet our needs in this situation. Yeah, we need a full-on view model for it to work. So yeah, this is a new definition where we just moved from here to here and changed all the bindings to xbind. Define the user control, and basically here is just yeah, we added this method to scroll to element. We're doing it exactly the same as the answers on Stack Overflow, and the answers should be very creditable because I know this person is a Microsoft employee, right? I know this person is on the store team, so he must know what he's talking about, and all the other answers are saying the exact same thing. So I don't think the answer is wrong. I think I have some weird setup here to make my UI not really reliable, which is also why my menu items sometimes jump around. So I think I need to fix some of the UI thing for this to work, but that'll be for the next stream. Okay, yeah, that's it. I think that's it for today. Let me add some comment to my commit. What should I say? Copies the content to the instead of the, there we go, push. And okay, that is a wrap. I've been streaming for 3 hours, and hopefully this content is good and I can keep doing this. If you're watching this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Twitter, all that good stuff. Thank you and goodbye.